Hi everyone, let's see what the technical team has for us today. Hello Lulu.
Hello everyone. So today we have a hourglass. This is the kit we sell for the hourglass. It has all the components you will need to build it. It also has a few spare components that you don't necessarily need. So let's quickly see how it looks. So this is how it looks when it's done. So this is your on and off switch. So if you switch it off, it won't do anything. Switch it back on, and then you'll see it will start counting down, lighting up the LEDs as an hourglass is supposed to. Unfortunately, it only goes in the one direction. It also has a push button, I'm assuming, to change the direction. Then you have the IC, and then you have your pins. You will need a soldering iron for this kit, as you do need to do quite some soldering for it. But yeah, that's it. That is your hourglass.
Okay Lulu, how long will it take someone to build this?
Well, it's quite a lot of LEDs, so it'll take you about anything between 20 and 30 minutes.
Okay.
The LEDs, as we sold it separately, each one.
What would you say is the benefit of having this project?
Benefit of having this is just to have a fancy hourglass in your house for when you need to show someone something, or if you want to show them what you built yourself. Because this is a DIY kit, so it's basically just for showing off as well.
Okay, I think it would also be good for someone to practice soldering.
Soldering and stuff like that, so you can
like
train
that,
yourself and you know how it works as well.
Okay, well,
Stuff like
that's
that,
awesome.
yes.
Thank you.
100%.
Bye.
Bye.